Welcome to McGovern Ford of Framingham, your commercial truck location and expert. We have over 300 commercial vehicles ready to be delivered. Whether you're a contractor, plumber, electrician, plasterer, or any other trade, we are able to help you and we have the vehicle for you.
Whether you have excellent credit, first-time buyer, or working to rebuild your credit, we work with various institutions that will help you suit your needs. Our finance specialists are here to answer any questions you may have during the process.
Welcome to the McGovern Ford of Framingham Service Department, where we do everything from oil changes, wiper blades, small stuff, all the way to heavy replacement of engines, transmissions, and diagnostics. We are EV certified, so we're also working on electric vehicles. We also have our heavy truck center coming that will be able to work on anything up to an F-750.